Reedsy versus Scrivener. Which writing tool is better? So let's start with Reedsy. Reedsy is a free web-based writing and formatting platform designed for authors. It includes a distraction-free editor, chapter management, and built-in export options for EPUB and print. It also connects you to a marketplace of vetted editors, designers, and marketers. Scrivener, on the other hand, is a paid desktop app known for its powerful organization tools. It's built for long-form writing like novels, screenplays, and academic work. With its corkboard view, research binder, and deep customization, Scrivener is a favorite among serious writers. Here's how they compare. In terms of writing interface, Reedsy offers a simple, clean interface. Scrivener gives you more complex, customizable layout, ideal for plotting and structuring. In terms of organization, Scrivener wins here. You get folders, subdocuments, drag and drop scenes, and research integration. Reedsy keeps it linear and minimal. In terms of formatting and export, Reedsy includes easy export to print, EPUB, and Kindle formats. Scrivener offers more control but requires a learning curve to get formatting just right. In terms of collaboration, Reedsy shines here, letting you collaborate with editors directly through the platform. Scrivener doesn't offer built-in collaboration tools. In terms of accessibility, Reedsy is cloud-based, accessible from any device. Scrivener is desktop-based, and although there's an iOS app, syncing can be tricky. In terms of pricing, Reedsy's core writing tool is completely free. Scrivener is a one-time purchase of around $50 with discounts for students. And now for pros and cons. For Reedsy, its pros include it being free and beginner-friendly. It has easy exports and formatting. It has online access and a freelancer marketplace. However, it has limited outlining and research tools and has no offline mode. For Scrivener, it has exceptional planning and organization features. It works offline and is powerful for world building and complex projects. However, it has a steep learning curve for beginners, no real time collaboration, and it is a paid software. So, which writing tool is better? If you're looking for simplicity, free access, and built in publishing help, Reedsy is a solid choice. Great for authors who just want to write and publish with minimal friction. But if you're an outliner, world builder, or working on a complex novel or thesis, Scrivener offers unmatched control and depth. The choice depends on your writing style. So which one are you choosing? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons. And see you in the next video.